Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Android tablet as a second monitor for your Mac in 2026. Now this is perfect for multitasking, for editing, studying or work with more screen space. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to make sure that your Mac and Android tablet are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Afterwards, you need to open your App Store on your Mac. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for screen sharing application. So here, after looking for the application, you just have to click on any of the screen sharing app. Then you need to get it in your Mac. Now, you can also use a screen display application like a wireless display application. After doing it, you need to go to the Play Store on your Android tablet and install the same application. Now, once both of the applications are installed, you need to open the app on your Mac first, then you need to open it on your tablet. Now, your tablet should appear your Mac screen as an available display. When you click on your tablet name to connect, after a few seconds, your Mac screen will extend to your Android tablet. Now you can also go to the Mac display settings and choose whether you want to mirror the screen or you want to extend it as a second display. So you can drag the windows to your tablet just like a normal monitor. If the connection feels slow, you can also move closer to your Wi-Fi router, or you can also switch to a wired option if the app supports USB connection. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.